juicy chicken, spicy chorizo and tender vegetables all nestled together in a bed of seasoned rice. This one-pot Spanish chicken makes a fantastic family dinner that you can place on the table and let everybody dig in. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This Spanish chicken is all cooked in one pan, with the oven doing most of the work, so it's a nice and easy one-pot meal. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 170°C or 325°F, and then we're going to mix the seasoning for the chicken. Mix together 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, garlic salt, black pepper, white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Rub onto the skin of 6 chicken thighs. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large wide cast iron pan or a heavy based oven-proof large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Place the chicken thighs in the pan skin side down and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the skin is golden brown. Now turn over and cook for another couple of minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and place on a plate. Now to the same pan, add in a finely diced onion, 2 sticks of celery that have been finely chopped, and a red pepper that's been sliced into strips. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Now add 100 grams or 3½ ounces of chorizo that's been sliced into half moons and cook for a further 2 minutes. Next in goes a teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 cloves of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Stir it all together, then add in 250 grams or 1 cup of basmati rice. Stir again to coat the rice in the oil. Pour in 4 tablespoons of white wine and 900 ml or 3 3/4 cups of hot chicken stock. Give everything a stir, then place the chicken skin side up in the rice. Arrange 10 cherry tomatoes that have been sliced in half around the chicken and 1 lemon that's been sliced on and around the chicken. Place the lid on the pan or cover tightly in foil and then place in the oven. Now you want to cook that for about 35 to 40 minutes until the rice is tender. Just give it a check a couple of times in the last 10 minutes to make sure that rice is cooked. Take out of the oven and sprinkle with parsley before serving. And there you go, that's my version of Spanish chicken, all cooked in one pot to save on the washing up. It makes a great family dinner. See you next time.